Today we will compare two of the most discussed term insurance plans from ICICI Prudential, the classic iProtectSmart and its upgraded sibling, the iprotectsmartplus. Welcome to Ditto Insurance, I am Neil. Our entire mission on this channel is to simplify complex financial products so you can protect your hard-earned money. Subscribing is completely free. And we also run dedicated channels in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam and Kannada. So be sure to check out the regional links down in the description below. Let us get straight into the breakdown. ICICI Prudential has long been a dominant force in the Indian life insurance sector, and for years, their iProtect Smart plan served as the default choice for buyers seeking straightforward, dependable term coverage. However, as customer needs evolved, the insurer launched the iprotectsmartplus to introduce modern flexibilities, effectively replacing the older version for new buyers. While both plans share the same strong corporate backing, an elite claim settlement ratio of 99.3%, and essential features like a terminal illness benefit and a zero-cost early exit option, they take completely different approaches to handling critical illness riders, disability protections, and premium payment structures. Let us look at exactly what changed and which variant actually deserves your money. Take a look at the operational metrics of ICICI Prudential and you will see that it's a pretty solid choice. When we put the features side by side, the operational differences become very clear. Starting with the critical illness payout, the older iProtect Smart uses an accelerated model, meaning the payout is deducted directly from your base life cover. In contrast, the Smart Plus plan provides extra security by paying the critical illness benefit on top of our primary life cover, leaving your death benefit completely untouched. However, the classic Smart plan pays out immediately upon diagnosis, with no survival period, while the Smart Plus enforces a 15-day survival condition before releasing the funds. On the flip side, the new Smart Plus activates this critical illness shield much faster, cutting the initial waiting period to 90 days compared to the 180 days required by the older plan. The triggers for waiving your future premiums also shifted completely. The classic Smart plan only waives your premiums if you suffer a permanent disability due to an accident, whereas the Smart Plus triggers the waiver upon the diagnosis of a critical illness. Furthermore, only the Smart Plus introduces a dedicated financial payout specifically for total permanent disability, a safety net that is completely missing from the older framework. Finally, the Smart Plus drastically expands your protection horizon by allowing coverage up to 99 years of age, whereas the classic Smart plan forcibly caps your maximum coverage age at 65 years. So what has really changed when you strip away the marketing? The biggest structural shift lies in how these plans manage long-term financial adaptability and severe illnesses. By separating the critical illness payout from the base life cover, iProtect SmartPlus ensures that treating a major disease does not drain the financial legacy you intend to leave behind for your family. Additionally, the SmartPlus introduces a highly practical premium break option, formerly known as the cover continuous benefit. This allows you to safely pause your premium payments for up to 12 months if you face a sudden job loss or financial hardship after 5 years, ensuring a policy does not lapse during an emergency. It also brings in a unique Insta Payout benefit that provides an accelerated advance of up to 3 lakh rupees to your nominees immediately upon claim intimation for policies over 1 crore. If you are currently weighing these two variants, the conclusion is straightforward. While the classic iProtect Smart holds a slight advantage by not enforcing a survival period before releasing its critical illness payout, it is no longer actively sold to new buyers. The iProtect Smart Plus is a vastly superior and more comprehensive product overall. By offering independent critical illness payouts, slashing the initial waiting period in half, integrating a dedicated total permanent disability payout, and introducing premium payment holidays, iProtect Smart Plus delivers significantly more value and real-world flexibility for your household. If you want our IRDAI-certified experts to help you customize the exact riders on this plan and calculate the premium for your specific age profile, click the link down in the description to book a free no-spam consultation today. Until next time, happy insurance hunting.